We have a Romi CNC combination teach lathe, model M17, serial number 002093205-403. This machine is new. It was new in 2007, and we're going to run it for you. It has 17-inch swing by 43-inch centers. It has a Fanuc 21 IT control, 10 horsepower spindle. That's 500 RPM. It's very quiet. It goes up to 4,000 RPM. It has a 2.09 inch hole through the spindle. 1,000 RPM. 1,500. Okay. Going up. Oh, actually, we're going to show the hand wheels. Right there, he's moving the Z-axis hand wheel, which is electronic. That's your X. You can also do a different fine feed. You can see that on the digital readout. Do it again so you can see it on the control. Yep. And that's in fine. He's rapiding it with the on the control on the remote station. Okay. The tailstock. Tailstock is number 4 Morse taper. You have 4.72 inches of travel. Sliding the tailstock on the bed. Again, this machine has Fanuc drives and motors. You can use it for teach mode, conversational, G-code programming. Machine has a Rohm Chuck on there, 7 3/4 inch 3-jaw, and you have a Dorian quick change tool post with a few holders. Hey, thank you for watching our video.